In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells in LibreOffice Calc. We'll start by opening LibreOffice Calc and getting your spreadsheet on screen. If you already have a file you want to work with, open it from the File menu or from your recent documents. Everything we cover today applies whether you're working with a single cell or a larger selection. Begin by selecting the cells you want to format. Click once for a single cell, drag to cover a range, or use Shift-click to extend your selection. You can also select entire rows or columns by clicking their headers. The key is to highlight everything you plan to format before opening the formatting options. To access full formatting controls, open the Format Cells dialog. The quickest way is with the keyboard. Press Ctrl+1 on Windows or Linux, or CMD+1 on Mac OS. If you prefer the mouse, right-click on your selection and choose Format Cells. This dialog is the central hub for cell appearance, and contains several tabs that let you customize how your data looks without changing the underlying values. On the Numbers tab, choose how your data should be displayed: date, time, currency, or scientific, among others. You can set the number of decimal places and add leading zeros, which is useful for things like product codes. Keep in mind that you're adjusting the display format, not the actual stored value, so formulas and calculations will still work correctly. Next, visit the Alignment tab. Here you can rotate text by a specific number of degrees, stack characters vertically for tight columns, and enable wrap text automatically so long entries fit within a cell without spilling over or expanding the column. These options help keep your sheet readable and neatly organized. In the Font and Font Effects sections, adjust the typeface, size, and color to match your style or emphasize key data. Use font effects for underlining or strike-through when you need visual cues, such as marking completed items. There's a live preview in the dialog, so you can see how changes will look before applying them. Finally, set borders and background. Choose which sides of the cells should have lines, pick line styles and thickness, and add interior grid lines for tables. Use a background fill color to highlight headings or totals. Subtle shading often improves readability without overwhelming the sheet. When you're happy with your settings, click OK to apply them to your selection. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo with Ctrl+Z. With these tools, you can present your data clearly and professionally in LibreOffice Calc.